If you want clean your washing machine, so this product is helpful to clean your washing machine. Now I will show you first of all how to use this. Is the single use. I am purchasing here local supermarket. Price is 34 Danish krona, around $5 or €5. This is the 250 ml, so you can use just only one time, single use. Now we can go and see how to put it this one. And the ratio is, if you put it in the washing machine, so 60 degree you need to fix this one, and without putting any clothes, just put it this one, and then empty washing machine you can run. First of all I will show you. Look at this, my washing machine is a little dirty, and here also I clean this one, but still. So this is the main, I will show you afterwards as well. Yeah, now we can put it this one. मुझे नहीं मालूम. This is 250. You can तीनों इसमें डाल दे थोड़ा थोड़ा. Pull out entire and close the door as well. And here cleaning होगा इसमें भी शायद 60 डिग्री पे करना है.
हाँ वो तो करना है. ये क्या है? नहीं ये तो ये
ऊपर वाला है देख 60 डिग्री. हाँ ये वाला 3 घंटे चलेगा. और नहीं
वो तो डिग्रीज तो सेट कर सकते हैं.
Actually my washing machine is not showing cleaning option, so that's why I select this randomly 1 hour, so I can change here, modify 60, 50. The liquid are mentioning here 60 degree, so I select 60 degree and then 400 rpm and 1 hours. So start. Now is the start. We can check after 1 hour.